Revolutionizing manufacturing processes, insights into power bank, radiator, and 3D printing technology. Power bank innovations Blue Times, with over 18 years of expertise as a leading OEM/ODM partner, redefines portable energy solutions. Their advanced manufacturing capabilities and rich patent portfolio deliver high-performance, sustainable power banks that accelerate time to market while ensuring brand differentiation. The manufacturing process of power banks is intricate and precise. Electrode coating. Aluminum foil for the positive electrode is evenly coated with active materials like lithium manganese oxide, followed by drying. A similar process is applied to copper foil for the negative electrode. Roll pressing and slitting. Coated electrodes are compressed for uniform density and cut into precise rolls, ensuring clean edges and minimal waste. Assembly and testing. From tab welding and winding to X-ray inspections and electrolyte injections, each step ensures alignment, quality, and durability. Final stages. Batteries undergo aging, capacity, and voltage testing before being assembled into power banks. This meticulous approach guarantees optimal performance and long-term reliability.